Well, hey there, it's your girl PW giving you the know-how on the fashion how-to. And what we're going to talk about now is how do you make a shoe that is too tight a little bigger. Let me give you some room. You got cankles, sausage feet, you got that crazy mean toe hanging over. Not a good look. Let me show you how to fix all that. Come on. Ladies, we love peep toes. They are very popular. They are very fabulous. They are foo-foo, but they hurt. I don't care what anybody says. This edging around here hurts your foot. So let me show you what you need to do, how to get that taken care of. What you want to do is you're going to want to wet. You know, I always have a concoction of, I think that fabric softener in water is the key to life. And you want to wet the roundness of this toe. You see that? You want to get that wet. A lot of shoes, people don't understand. You have, like, leather stretches when it's wet. So does other fabrications. It really, really stretches. So while it's wet, you want to stuff it. This rag is also damp. Stuff that shoe. Get all you can get inside. And I really do mean push it to the limit. Pull it to the front. You see me pulling up? I'm giving this, like, if you could see, like, my guns right now, you would see that I was pulling this up, okay? Secondly, you might have a pointed toe, and they are coming back. That's the thing. The thing about pointed toes, sometimes they hurt, and they are tight. Okay, to help with this shoe, what you want to do is get yourself a cotton ball to fill up all of this room here, because this is where your toe usually comes, and they try to sink down here, and this is called corn city. C-O-R-N, okay? You don't want any corns. Take this piece and stick it up there all the way in the front, and that will really give you a little room. So now that the cotton is here, your toes are resting comfortably straight across. That's going to help out with that. Now, also with that, you want to stuff. Every time you're not wearing your shoe, you want to stuff it, because it kind of also allows your shoe to take some type of form. So you want to stuff it with the papers or wherever it came with, okay? Now also, you want to get inside your shoes to help them keep shape, to stretch. If this right here was your problem area, you want to wet it. Again, leather stretches when it's wet, and you want to open it up however you have to. Sometimes you want to pull it back. I know it looks like murder on the shoe, but that helps, and it stays like that. You saw that flip back? If you have a shoe that has any type of opening in the back that you can flip, that really helps stretch a shoe out. You see that? It's a quick back flip. Bam. Bring it up. It'll stay. It's really going to give you some great amount of stretch. Okay? Gentlemen, I know you guys in the back of your shoe, a lot of times that's the problem. What you want to do is flatten her out. You want to take your thumb on the seam line, press, and push in. And I know it looks vicious to the shoe, but if it's, don't buy cheap shoes. There you go. It won't happen. You'll be okay. So you want to push this down and give it some room. And you see how that opens it up? So it's just a matter of stretching it out, opening it up wide, or stuffing it, however you want to do it. Well, it's your go-to girl for fashion, PW, signing off.